Good day everyone. So for today we are going to tackle about the ripple effect. Your actions, your symphony. So friends, classmates, schoolmates, and fellow dreamers, we stand here today not at the finish line, but at the starting block of endless possibilities. Life as we know it is not a solo act. It's a symphony, and each one of us holds an instrument. Sometimes we underestimate the power of our actions. We think, what difference can one person make? But I'm here to tell you that one small act of kindness, one word of encouragement, one spark of innovation can create a ripple effect that changes the world. Think of a drop pebble in a still lake. The ripples expand, touching every corner, influencing everything in their path. Your actions are those pebbles. Your dreams are the force that propels them. Don't be afraid to be the first ripple. Don't be afraid to challenge the status quo, to speak your truth, to pursue your passions with unwavering determination. The world needs your unique talents, your individual perspectives, your burning desire to make a difference. So, go out there and create ripples. Create waves of change, of hope, of love. The world is waiting for your symphony. And that was all. Thank you.